Welcome to this snake plant gardening workshop on 9th November. So we will explain to you what are the materials we have for you today. Now there are two products here to my right and left which I have helped develop. So there is a company called IFFCO Urban Gardens and they are into organic gardening products, and I advise them to develop two products. So one product is this one, which is called LECA. L-E-C-A. Okay, you don't need to know what is LECA. It's an engineering term acronym, but you can call it clay balls. So IFFCO Urban Gardens calls it horti clay. So the purpose of this is when you have a pot and there are drain holes, if you put the soil or the potting mix in there and you water, along with the water, the potting mix also will go down. So what this does is it prevents the potting mix from going through the holes along with the water. So you call this, it's basically a pot liner. So, and we will also use it at the top of the pot as a decorative. This one has no function other than these two physical functions. One is blocking soil from going out, the other is decoration, but it also prevents evaporation. So when you have this layer, what happens is it prevents water from evaporating and drying out. The second material we have here, and I'm happy to have developed this because I like succulents, and this is a product called cacto soil. We call it cacto soil because you can grow cacti in it, but you can also grow succulents because all cacti are not succulents. Some are not succulent, but most cacti are succulents. So in succulents, what happens is they require very little water. So if you put more water, what will happen is it will cause root rotting. So the gardening product companies, what they do is they basically give you a porous potting mix. Porous means you put water, it won't hold water, it will just go down. So you see some colorful material here. So we have different ingredients in them. So one is called pumice, which is a type of mineral, and we also have something called cinder, and then there are other ingredients. So that's this mix, and then so these two products are from IFFCO Urban Gardens.